This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
What's up, everybody? This is Luke Patrick with the iPhoneAppReview.com. We're slinging out yet another video review today. This time taking a look at an application that's sort of a spin-off of another application that we covered back in, I think, December. This application is called Buncee Bits, and it's a, more or less a spin-off of the Buncee Pro style application that we looked at last time, and that offered the same kind of functionality except in a different experience, and it was more iPad focused. This one is also available there too if you'd like, and the application is available for a solid 99 cents in the App Store. So with that introduction, there's not really much we can say to directly describe this except for just showing you. So I'm going to go ahead and boot this up and just give you a go. The basic idea here is that modern life is kind of tricky, and we're always on the road, and we've always got our mobile devices. So the idea is sort of, let's take something like a card or your average everyday life or something even of that sort, and then give you the functionality to be able to snap photos and snapshots of that, add some quick text, and then fling it onto your phone as a ready-made sort of single-piece scrapbooking unit or so. Is a good way to describe it, and that sounds more complicated. We'll talk more about the uses of this in just a second. Settings, not much going on here. You can change the font to anything you'd like. Helvetica is good for screens. We'll stick to that. Then you have this giant create button that's sort of in the middle of this Instagram style user interface. Excuse me. So you click this, and then you can basically create your own buncees. And let's see, you first add a background. You can do this through the gallery, which they give you quite a few different selections to choose from. We really appreciated this. You can also add these directly from your own photo gallery. We really appreciated the amount of backgrounds that are here, by the way. We thought that was great. Obviously, we're always going to want more, so that's pretty much the only thing that we have to complain about. Let me go ahead and just pick, let's go with the dear old Union Jack. And then you add text over this. You can, of course, drag the text around anywhere that you want once it's been typed. So I'm just going to go ahead and type testing. And there you go. And then you can drag this around at will. And you're done. There's your Buncee. It's done. I've got the Union Jack. I've got whatever words I actually wanted to put here. I could change this. You can change the font size using these arrows along the side. I'm going to go ahead and bump this up. And then just start typing the ever-present at the moment in the country. Stay calm. And yeah, well, the rest. Stay calm and carry on. So we'll leave that, and then when you're done with that, you hit save, and then your Buncee is saved. You can go to all your different saved ones. This is the testing one that I made earlier with a different background, which I kind of enjoyed. It's got this nice, these Photoshop arms sort of things going on, and you can take these and then share them at will, which is great too. I can load this into email, Facebook, Twitter, or more, of which there are quite a few options. You can print them, save them to a photo album, send them to Facebook or Tumblr. All these are fantastic. They're just, sort of in the same milieu as taking the thing, creating your Buncee, and then immediately sending it somewhere else for someone else to look at. So let's say you wanted to create a card. You saw the holiday offerings that were in the background, so you could go in, you could create a quick holiday offering, and then send it to someone. So let's say one of your Facebook friends, is having a birthday. Instead of just saying happy birthday, you can go in here, easily create a Buncee of some sort, and then send it to them lickety-split. That's really the sort of idea here. The last app that we looked at by Buncee was called Buncee Pro. It was a larger, more scrapbooking style interface, and we really appreciated that. But at the same time, we really like this, the Buncee Bits. We like the miniaturized version of this, where you create your own content in a flash and then send it. Our only real complaint is the text. The text you cannot change colors of, which is really quite annoying. And your options to modify that are actually kind of limited, which again makes things simple. But then you have like this, the even more testing, where I took a picture of my desk here, and you can't even really see it, which is it's kind of a problem. So if we had to suggest anything, we'd say more backgrounds. More text options would be nice, and even more sharing options. I mean, Android still trumps the iPhone any day in terms of being able to share your stuff to anywhere. So we'd like to see even more of that. We're not really sure how much more you could add, but we're sure there's a few more social media options, maybe like Photo Bucket or something out there that you could upload to. Aside from that, it's a brilliant interface. It works extremely well. It's only $1 in the App Store, so it's not going to break the bank to give it a go. And of course, it's the same quality that we've come to expect from Buncee. They're really pumping out a lot of good stuff. And if you're into photography on the iPhone or into e-cards or anything of the sort, this is a nice miniaturized way to do this. So, all in all, we're going to give it a 4 out of 5 star rating, especially because it's a value at $1. And that's all we had to say about it. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and sign out, but we will see you guys later. Bye.